Bohol. Right, mga kaibigan, dito tayo ngayon sa Chocolate Hills. Ay, grabe, inulan kami. Boarding.
Each seat is provided with a seatbelt. To fasten, push ends together. Tighten seatbelt by pulling loose end.
To Hollywood, here in Sikatuna, Bohol. Alright, so ito yung nag-arpay lang kami ng Avanza, 7-seaters. Pumasya kami lahat, kasama yung bagahe. So binayaran lang namin yan ng 500 galing sa Pasay Terminal mismo ng bus. Then check-in kami sa ticket na meron kami. Okay na, okay. Then holding area sa airport habang naghihintay sa gate kung saan kami may assign. Ito naman yung nakasakay na kami sa escalator. Papunta kami sa gate 134 at doon maghihintay na pagsakay sa aeroplano. Ay, grabe, inulan kami. Boarding. Lakas ng ulan, mga kaibigan. Hindi kami nababasa. Yun, lakas ng ulan.
Sa mga panauwi na nakaupo sa exit doors, basahin niyo lamang ang transmitted vehicle card. Kung sa inyong palagay ay magagampanan ang mga panuntunan ng exit door, ipagbigay naman sa inyong account sa labas ng venue ito.
Basta pati dito yan. Dito ka na yung...
Hello ma'am, this is an infant life vest po para kay baby. Gagamitin lang po ito in case of any emergency. Huwag po ngayon open or paglalaroan din. Hindi naman po kailangan. Kukunin po siya after ng flight. Salamat po. Lagay na lang po sa seat pocket po natin si baby.
Kasama kasi namin si baby ko kaya binigyan kami ng emergency kit. Uy, baby ko. Gusto ka po? Maulan, maulan.
Gavin, can spare Anna and Cindy like to welcome you on board flight 561. 5 bound for Tagbilaran. Our flight time is approximately 1 hour and 10 minutes. Cruising altitude will be 33,000 feet. Weather now is forecasted to be fair with partly cloudy skies after takeoff. Expect light to moderate turbulence from time to time. Tagbilaran weather updates will be reported prior to our descent. To safeguard guests and crew members against...
Ladies and gentlemen, please direct your attention to your cabin crew who will demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. Each seat is provided with a seatbelt. To fasten, push ends together. Tighten seatbelt by pulling loose end. To unfasten, lift top of buckle and pull free end to release. In case of water landing, your life vest is found under your seat. Remove sharp objects from your body. To don, slip vest over the head. Take tape around the waist and push end to buckle. pull tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull inflation tags to inflate vest. Manual inflation is done by means of the red tubes. Blow to increase air, and push pins inward to release air. Light automatically illuminates once the battery is immersed in water. Do not inflate the life vest inside the aircraft. Please be reminded that unauthorized removal of life vests from the aircraft constitutes theft and is punishable by law. In case of rapid change in cabin pressure, oxygen masks will automatically drop from the compartments above you. Immediately grab the mask and pull it towards you.
Remove your face mask, then put the oxygen mask over your nose and mouth.
Over your nose and mouth. Pull elastic band sideways for snug fit and breathe normally. Put your own mask first before assisting others. Keep it on until you are advised to remove it. In case of emergency evacuation, follow the lights that will lead you to the exits. For further information, please refer to the passenger briefing card found in your seat pocket. This aircraft is equipped with emergency
Mga kaibigan,
exit
after
signs
nung
found
lumapag
in the
kami,
cabin.
hindi na ako nakapag-video
The
at ang
location
next
of
na
the
scene nito
nearest
is sa
exit
Tagbilaran.
will be behind you.
Matinding akyatan ito, grabe. TMX 155 lang sa Kalam. Island City Mall. Ayan, ramdam na ramdam mo yung balansingan ng makina ng motor. Kulang sa valve clearance adjustment dito. Ayan, so ito na yung nakasakay na kami sa Baobao. Tawag nila Baobao ito. TVS. Akit na kami ng puntok dito. Oh, fresh yung air dito, Malong. Then after namin makarating doon sa aming tinuluyan, the next day, kinabukasan nito, umakyat na kami papuntang Carmen Bohol. Then namasyal kami, pakyat ito ng Chocolate Hills. Yan, napakaganda ng daan. Nakasakay ako niyan sa harapan ng high ace na Grandia, GL Grandia. Yan, paliko ng paliko hanggang sa makita mo yan sa ibabaw. Ang ganda. Kita mo na yung isang hill, oh. Ay, ang hill na yan. Then paikot yan, paikot. Yun na naman, isang hill na naman. Then yan, gradual yung pag-akit niya, tuloy-tuloy. May mga kasakay na ko niyan ng mga foreigner. Ayan. So hanggang sa makarating ka dyan. Then after that, akit ka ng napakaraming steps papunta dun sa taas. Makita mo yun, para makita mo yung hills na nasa itaas. Ayan, dyan kami ibababa. Okay, ang entrance pala namin dyan is 100 pesos per. At ihatid ka na ng shuttle papunta sa itaas. Alright, mga kaibigan, dito tayo ngayon sa Chocolate Hills. Say hi to my baby koy. Ayan o. Sige, ikot.
Sa taas ituro mo.
Sa taas.
Dito, salon dito.
Ito naman yung itsura kapag nasa itaas ka na mismo doon sa ice peak ng hills. Thereafter namin na mamasyal sa Chocolate Hills in Carmen Bohol. Siyempre, dumiretso na kami dito sa Pilar Bohol kung saan matatagpuan natin ang man-made forest. Alright, this is the man-made forest here in Bilar, Bohol. So masaya yung pamamasyal namin dito kasi mabagal lang yung sinasakyan namin. Tok-tok or bao-bao kung tawagin namin dito sa Bohol. TVS. So yan yung sinakyan namin. Pumasya naman kami dito yung balipito kami na nakasakay na kaibigan. Sa part na ito, kamuntik pa itong motor, overtake kasi. Tapos may nakita pa kami dito na nag-overshoot na bus. Mas nga. Mirror of the world. Hollywood. Then yung sa taas, ayan. Hollywood here in Sikatuna, Bohol. Ayan mga kaibigan, so ito yung last na pinasyal namin, yung Mirror of the World or Hollywood in Sikatuna, Bohol. So ito yung last na pinasyalan namin. So thank you for watching my video. This is Motozar, your DIY master and your travel master. Abangan nyo po yung next na video natin about sa pag-uwi naman natin galing po dito sa Bohol, going to Pangasinan or to Manila. So yun lang mga kaibigan, no? Maraming salamat hanggang sa mga susunod na videos natin. Bye bye for now, see you on my next vlogs.